Ebusham for a high Ghana SMTV GH, message or like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusham for
politics, if you my Husman Quahene. Attitude politics, you must say. And now, watch Hopeson Adorye the enemy. Says also be a control one. What the camera is so. Anybody, Naka yenga yedi
ene duabanya wono na asemu empenfo mi na nya ase eteno na be buza say it be bodua on behalf of somebody
yes on behalf of somebody say was in the partner catch
I was say sanitize the political e be be ekono enye Peter so who Peter
no way
be ba so kakra
okay say MBB sam no we ba so
oh yeah some ho Peter
yeah hold on
you start here
me na me e kakra
no you muntu so ase o wa chocho sa
uni mi say hwe o my way on and my mobo na odwen ho a de obeka say ye mo mpae say Yakopon no mo na enya kwatenten na sometimes nyame amwa wa ohu obeka nse man say oka hwe printing of money asema na kojo opon kuma e ka ho asem no
say e ka owura ho
meba yes but printing of money no kra no the main issue no besian but NDC got but technically besian printing but NDC decided say they will not adopt so abaya ko besian but omo adopt technical term printing
illegal printing of money
yes into kind omo first 90 days promise omo yem omo manifesto mo omo so omo ba within 90 days promise 13 they will institute inquiries and a forensic audits into the following matters no oboboya point 2 illegal printing of money they will institute forensic audit but omba 90 days and 3 months in term what is say omako ye investigation be say illegal printing of money be aba I say ekochi obi tumana debi won man the money ya we ho ni say uso ponko makasa o kan be say bag bi na krampo G2 the speaker G2 mu say indeed and when mem say about me eko J besia ewo a Bank of Ghana during a emergency times into this printing of money or NBCD politics here the day ni no it happened under COVID time
yes
and a man say ukoji sa be from BOG you report to parliament and Kenufrata reported to parliament so wakoji besia say of course you shouldn't exceed 10% any ni na ko 2 mra ni na 5 no the na 10 on review ni and 5 yet the NDC the politics e control go manifesto say it's illegal and me over parliament say printing of money no apart from the emergency yes I'm more opportunities no say ban ho chire na
budget shortfall ba no wa print agum
I'm in favor
illegal.
Now, me share the 120 days promise no. Areho Women's Bank ne 24 hour 133 24-hour economy no. That was their main campaign message.
Yes. That is their flow.
Yes. Say omuba one job 3 people na be 3 shifts. But Ghana adwuma bena and it's part of the 120 days promise omu baye adwuma bena one job nipa miensa na yeda
and the bini
I said DVL no crowd was one
oh anado na obekọ so kwa register oka
anado no wa fa oka DV plate no dey TSC kwan so
so kwa register ewo adenta na unam
but Peter anyway I give me an idea about how Ghanaians as a country how we reason maybe I analyze to a level of not just NDC for the but the receiver.
Yeah,
for Ghanaians to receive this. And some people who put on tie, who understand business and economics.
Yeah.
Kaji tumbe defend day. And I'm say basic economics, demand and supply. And your level of economics in Binamika. Demand and supply.
Yes.
Don't you know that as a businessman, Bonye detail be a pamadiana job?
Yeah.
Seems as you be man job because demand a back.
You be sound, you need no more pot.
No. Aha. And I couldn't say na akodum pempen so na MPP ho. So ntu ka bibia obi anti. Enti na man ko basa. Na even the women's bank away. It's part of their 120-day promise.
Yeah.
How many Ghana for a sign? Yeah.
Sorry, Vice President. Says God does almost my friend.
Yeah, what we teach and break on.
Media. Minekok Summer 2024 media by Ghana.
Sound?
Yes. Minekok Summer Club. Near your point 12. Joy FM.
Aye.
Minekok and your call Mr. Chumhoni can say, why do we close? Yes, because I brought your mom. The 24-hour economy, yes, that's it. And now, Mr. Chum say, hey, now GBC point 12. Me and sure say machines never say. But GBC point 12, that was enough.
Now, I'm a machine arrested.
Yes. And now, Mr. Chum Fred Abuche, about for broadcast electronics. I'm not more and say, even a young pon mumna machine is so better. The machine doom near son. And mum says, and I'm Mr. Chum can say, oh, and
then we have 26 hours.
And then count to. But, besides, again, workforce. Because we don't have plan for
and the listenership.
And yes, some volunteers say,
most did
a bob. And yes, started okay, we will be live, near people recorded, near the Ashim. Sakaka, that's how today media, 24 hours.
Wow.
Yes.
Mark, dear, just I won't know.
Enti, chese. Who started to show no okay President Mahama statement no.
Yes.
Say Oba or Chokoma President the then President Akufo-Addo say we criminalize this speech because at the time no na yache nkophobia semtrophobia na one omo enya adwen. Indeed no crane say ampa MPP time no yache semtrophobia but nkofo yache omo it was mainly private matters.
Professor Bakubi Legon was say I agree with Mark. The reason of most Ghanaians is very low, unfortunately. Lots of people are unable to analyze issues and they come with insults and lies and threats.
Argument no lose. The only way I'll be resorted to obey maintaining the in so obey threat to now I hear no can send be now.
No, join the sort here. And then the word sheepishly by we are said.
In Tusha, indeed, Madam for Asepa was arrested, but no, a chain on one small kind so I am from so.
Or patcho.
Even your chin will have a patcho. Will be and so, sir, and the Captain Smart and a private matter.
Yes,
so no, say no done chair. And based on that, the President Mahama Kocho started the letter now kind come up with the Akufo-Addo calling him names. Say he is behind.
Yes. And that's a crisis.
In fact, we kind of started promises say no business or radio station will be closed under the next government.
Yes.
Now kind our promise now or in this headquarters ko kind na areho.
Me kai o had
time no you be nkofo ya che o money no ma ya. But of course he promised say no radio station you be closing now. Some judge quite see closure of radio stations quite illegal.
Yes.
And so you see time or no minister and under him at least one example I say apart from Omuba in February no 13 radio stations and send a chiombe mass one up to now Moody Omumi
Debbie
but when President Mahama buy uko DJ Beye say on the average a year near Timchi nipa 9-10 President Mahama buy watching nipa 14
or bro average no
so and so na feedback be na we now me hear reconciliation no kra no ebro even the 14 na DJ can and the names are here Gideon Nana Pepra or Ghana Web Gabriel Opon or Angel Broadcasting Network Charles Amu Amensa or Lawson TV Kofi Dede or Irepa Henry Atta Kote say all kind or Sekrum Kwane Ajekum GH1 Salimate Joy News Vida Wiafe Amansan TV Akwesi Ajay Enim Channel 1 Jacob Edu Ba ABC News Kaloni Joy News Al Hassan Doburigu Asasi Radio Tahiru Ibrahim Multimedia Henry Finn Angel TV Yenya say
14
share
traditional media.
yes
More social media for nanka.
eno nka ho because asapa no me ade no na pete mama koji boss no mo nya nsem trofo they were
Marc,
social media
for
Bacho.
and I see you
Bacho Yapon.
Are
Because now I've come to the realization say in your mind I don't exist.
Because
me bobo no me say dia me
second one.
Onim the Godon, I don't exist now, be provoking me. On say Obi can say in his life about me doesn't yet. Never come once and no.
Na my day.
Tobo
Mark Ekoka 7,000 for jobs employees no. Yenya say.
I say mbodi ni bio. I say for companies ni member. Okay.
GR behind.
Bita miti.
Stephen Owusu you can hear say
Best be 13
14 no they 14 I saw 5 journalists Gideon okay my na pepra Kofi Adade 15 ena maka Al Hassan ene za de no ena o de no wa ha
medium
na the god
dem wo se wo ka wo de wa ha bi wo so ya tro
asana Akwesi Ajay ono ye Western Regional Correspondent City FM
16 no
Nabi okay Akwesi Ajay mamabo okay asana na mamabo banahene
Dabi
ono so GH1 Salome Mati 17 and sana okay Kaloni mabo Godina Saribidi akon
o sa fe no hu medi no
ana ochirema
ya very say
hwe this is different achimkwa and this is different from a social media for TikTokers
so be ma poku asemo
akabako mama ba
Paul Adwatch
correct bakwa am the far so jom the airport sem
airport hey say no ye na juma okay
but I talking to the messenger concerning the manager
I like that the messenger
I didn't understand the whole the fine
oh
it's about 20
yes abro on the average nti so how do compare President Mahama speech now open letter now or throw comma President Akufo-Addo say boni abai bin sida na President Akufo-Addo criminalize this speech under him na time say oman no bibi akodu no say ya nhwa oman ne ebebo kra na ene you see obi ayedi even media foundation CSOs nobody is talking because MPP who aye time MPP who aye hin ena madam Fubi o say ena say so ebi mo WhatsApp group so nti Yakopon bo ana se ntokwa ba ho a ena on best start yakasa o say WhatsApp group asabere ba ebi be ka say o mu ni so
nka ho mu dem obi see you sending a link no ba wa anyon ni obi o poster no
that is different from NDC buy, of course, to be fair.
So media, we are GJ ni.
Oh yeah, say by DJ.
We are GJ.
Yeah.
Me minimum president was him.